Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and with excellent health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas. Beautiful cat cave, cat house ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, most demanding collection, different designing, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful designing, beautiful ideas. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Different ideas, different collection. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed. Beautiful ideas. Please follow my channel. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Press the bell icon. Like and share my video. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. And please pray for me.